Everybody, before the sun goes down, actually get a good glimpse of this truck now. That's what it looks like. Here's my fuel can. It's about to fall over and everything. 1980. Try and get the wheel off because the tire's flat on that side, but she'll fire right up. Baby. Oh man. Dash light. See if fire. Fire right up, buddy. How about that? And we got some tunes. Hell yeah, rock and roll. She has a good rev to her too. A little carburetor, but she runs pretty smooth. Yeah. 350. Back of it looks like full of junk. I need to get the tire off because it's off the rim, and I was trying to back it up so I put the tire back on. I got another tire, but it never happened, so that'll be it. Just a little short video of it really quick before the sun goes down. And yeah, you probably can't read the miles on it, but well, if you can read whatever the hell that says on there, that's what it has. Oh, I got a blinker. That's good. The fuel gauge lies. We got tons of oil pressure. That is working, looks like, and we have no volts going in, so that's not good. But we have good power steering. Turns right over. Horn tries to. Turn signals. We have some. Alright, that'll be it.